The American Pain Society claims to be an independent medical group representing physician pain specialists, but it receives a sizable portion of its funding from the drug industry, including significant grants from Purdue Pharma, who are one of the biggest beneficiaries of the Society's successful effort to make pain the fifth vital sign. Purdue also spent heavily to subsidize the American Academy of Pain Medicine, and in 1997, spent $500,000 to underwrite the work of a joint committee formed by these two groups, which issued a report urging the broader use of powerful narcotics. Now, Purdue also contributed generously to patient advocacy groups like the National Foundation for the Treatment of Pain and the American Chronic Pain Association. But in effect, they helped fund an entire network of pain groups that represented themselves as independent, but all heavily promoted the use of opioids. Permission to approach the bench, Your Honor? Now, you might recognize this pain chart, as it's in hospital rooms and doctors' offices all across the country. It's from the organization Partners Against Pain, which is ostensibly an educational alliance dedicated to the treatment of pain. But, in fact, it is fully funded and run by Purdue Pharma. It is 100% Purdue-owned. In effect, it's Purdue's shadow company which has infiltrated hospital rooms and doctors' offices as a stealth tool to prompt pain discussions between doctors, nurses, and patients with the goal of prescribing more opioids.
Objection. Conjecture. Purdue has never hidden its relationship with Partners Against Pain.
Then why not put Purdue Pharma on these pain charts instead of a different company name?
Your Honor.
Proceed.
Partners Against Pain also has a website masquerading as a patient advocacy group to guide pain sufferers to specialists, but every specialist that it sends you to is a doctor with a very high rate of prescribing OxyContin.
So pain societies, partially or fully funded by Purdue Pharma and other pharmaceutical companies, are de facto propaganda divisions
For Big Pharma. The deception is so effective that some sales reps at Purdue thought they were using independent data when they were quoting studies from the American Pain Society with slogans like "pain is the fifth vital sign." And of course, the solution for pain is always an increased use of opioids. And it's an increase so high in the last 5 years, it's at levels not seen since the run-up to the Harrison Narcotics Tax Act of 1914. Thank you, Your Honor.
Permission granted to release requested documents relating to marketing, research, and distribution.
Go get him, boss.